King penguin, with their stately waddle and regal demeanor, they are the undisputed monarchs of the Antarctic ice. Conservation status. Global population is currently at 2.2 million with a growing trend and is categorized as of least concern. Distribution. King penguins are primarily found in subantarctic regions with major breeding colonies on islands such as South Georgia, Kerguelen Islands, Crozet Islands, Prince Edward Islands and Macquarie Island. They also inhabit Falkland Islands as well as Heard Island and McDonald Islands. These penguins thrive in the cold waters of the Southern Ocean where they feed on fish and squid. Taxonomy. Class: birds. Order: Spheniciformes. Family: Sphenicidi. Genus: Aptenidites. Uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom at biodb.com. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe.